Hello, greetings. I'm Chemical Dev, and wait, let me just get my script real quick. Greetings! I'm Chemical Dev, and welcome to the introduction of my Libgdx tutorial series. In this series, I am going to show you how to make a basic platformer using the Libgdx framework. Now, I expect you to have a basic knowledge of the Java programming language for you to follow because I am not going to teach you basic syntax, data types, and classes, and anything basic. So, you also need to have a preferred IDE that could handle Gradle Scripts for this to work. If not, I would recommend IntelliJ or Eclipse or some anything that could handle Gradle scripts. First, we need to download a jar file that would automate the Libgdx setup process. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do that. First, you need to search Libgdx and click the first link. Yeah, read this if you want. Libgdx is a cross-platform Java game development based on OpenGL that works on Windows, Linux, macOS, Android, and your browser and iOS. So, get started. How to get started with Libgdx? Here, you setup tool. Just press this, and here, set up your first project and download dependencies. Libgdx offers a setup tool. Okay. First, you need to download that Libgdx setup tool. You just need to press this link and it would download it automatically. Now, it would say that this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep GDX setup latest jar? Yeah, just press keep. It's not really that. No, it's not harmful. I'm sorry. Sorry for that. And now go to your Windows Start and just search for the GDX. I have the annulled version, but it will just work fine. I don't really see anything that. Okay, just press it. Now, name. This would be your project name. Platformer tutorial. The package. You know what a package is. Just gonna type mine. Platformer tutorial, and I'm just gonna put main. Now here in game class, if you're gonna name the game class, I would name my platformer. Make sure to spell it correctly. So destination is where you want to save your project, and you go find for GitHub, and also you need to create a folder. Name of your project and open. Now here, sub projects: desktop, Android, iOS, HTML. This is where the Libgdx can oh, there's my kitten. Oh, this is where you can publish your project. I'm not gonna go for Android, iOS, or HTML. I'm just gonna stick to desktop. So now next, this is the extensions. Bullet, 3D physics library, don't need it. 2D lightings, don't need it. Box 2D, it's a 2D physics library. I don't need it because I just need a simple AABB collision detection and some collision response for that. I'm just gonna check this. Now, that's all you need to do, and press generate. Wait for it. And my kitten just woke up. I think I was being too loud. He's so cute. So, done. To import in Eclipse, file import, blah blah blah, you just read it. Okay, I guess we're done here. Let's go to my IDE, then search for the project. I saved it in the GitHub folder and platform tutorial. Okay, now you're just gonna wait for it to build. Okay. Here in the desktop module, you're gonna find a desktop launcher. Okay, there's really nothing to do with this file. Then you go to core, and this module is where all your game logic lies. So press the main class. No, it's a game class, not the main class. You see the application adapter. You're gonna change it to game, and also you see the sprite batch class. It gets all the textures that you want to render, then pass it to the GPU in a single batch, so that it would be much more efficient. I don't really know why. I think it would be more efficient because you don't need to pass every textures that you have every frame to the GPU. You don't want that. So this would be faster. So you need to add configuration. You're gonna press the main class. No, that was wrong. Where was it? Oh, it's already there. Okay, I'm just gonna edit this. I'm just gonna name this platformer. Allow parallel run, fly, then run. So this main class would call the game class because of this. It's initialized here. Basically explains everything. So you have this output: a bad logic games logo, some sort, banner. I don't know. That's pretty bad. Now we're gonna fix it in the next episode. Well, thank you for watching. This is Chemical Dev. See ya. Peace.